Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Welcome back to the channel where we make videos about mobile apps and other stuff, doing tutorials, experiments, and any other stuff that I think of. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're interested. In today's video, we're talking about Instagram. Instagram has a new feature that allows you to customize your bio on your page. I played around with it a little bit this morning. It's pretty useful. I think a lot of people will find it helpful, so let's get into it. Okay, so here we are in the Instagram app. The first thing that we want to do is go to our page so we can tap our profile icon in the bottom right in the tab bar. So here's what your typical profile looks like. You've got all this information, the highlights. If you don't know how to use highlights, I have separate videos on that where you can learn how to do it. Just check out the Instagram playlist link below. There's hundreds of tutorial videos in there. But basically, Instagram had some annoying options like email. So because I have a business account, they needed to have like a way to contact me. And then I have to display my email on my profile. And we also have this label below our name. So below Andy, you'll see video creator. That's kind of my label for my type of business. So we've got some new customization options for this stuff. Let's go ahead and tap edit profile. And then you'll see some of those options here under public business information. So under category, that's where you can change what you want this to display as. And contact options had my email, or you could select some other options. But now we have this new section that says profile display. So let's tap on that. And now you can see what my profile kind of looks like. And we have these two toggles. So when someone else comes to my profile, this is what it looks like for them. Of course, they would have the bio information and the highlights and stuff on there. But this is just the stuff that's new and editable. So if we turn off the display category label, you can see that it hides video creator. So if you don't want that displayed, you can just remove it altogether. I'm just going to keep mine on there for now. And if you don't want this option to have people email you or even see your email address, you can turn that off. So now I've removed that option. Let's go ahead and tap done again, and you can see that email button is gone from my profile. So now we're on the home screen. Let's go ahead and go to someone's page. So if I tap on this dude, you'll see he has product or service under his name. He might not want that. He could remove it. And he has this contact button, so he could remove that as well. And when I tap his contact button, it shows, his actual phone number and an email there. So he might not want that displayed to people, but previously there was no option to be able to remove that. So now there's that toggle, so this guy could go in and remove that. Messages are already built into Instagram, so lots of people use those. It's more efficient for me. I don't really want people emailing me or seeing my email address that are on Instagram. So I think this is a good update. I think a lot of people will like it. I think a lot of people will be using those toggles. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. You can follow me here on Instagram at ANDYPNGR. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Also check out the Instagram playlist. There's hundreds of tutorials in there. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Oh,